Hey there, welcome to our YouTube Shorts video on 5 common SEO mistakes and how to fix them. In this video, I'll cover some of the most frequent SEO errors and provide practical solutions to improve your website's ranking. First on our list is broken links and dead pages. Having these on your site can harm your SEO ranking and user experience. So make sure to regularly check for broken links and either remove or redirect them to working pages. Next, duplicate content can also affect your ranking. Google does not impose a penalty for duplicate content, but it can lead to confusion and lower search engine visibility. To fix this, identify and consolidate duplicate content or add unique elements to each page. Another mistake is not using heading tags, which can make your content hard to read and less structured for search engines. By adding heading tags, such as H1, H2, H3, and H4 tags, you can improve readability and keyword placement. In addition, not optimizing your images and videos for SEO can hurt your website's performance. Make sure to use descriptive file names, alt text, and captions to help search engines understand your content. Lastly, ignoring local SEO can lead to missed opportunities for local search visibility. Make sure to create and optimize your Google My Business page, use local keywords, and get listed on local directories. That's it for our 5 common SEO mistakes and how to fix them. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more SEO tips and tricks.